this. So when you open your Tableau, right, so the first thing that you'll have is, syempre, you choose your data source. Once it's loaded, then all you need to do is to create first your charts, diba? So of course, given na natapos na kayo ng data cleaning. So yan, clean data na yan, right? So once you've loaded your worksheet or yung file ninyo, then say for example this, you have to choose which worksheet yung i-work ninyo. So for this, it's on orders. Okay, so if you'll open, or if you'll start creating your chart, you click on this. Ayan. If you click on this particular icon, it will open a new canvas or new worksheet. So pag nag-click ka niyan, ganyan siya, right? So new worksheet yan. Ulit ko lang ulit kasi don't need that. Okay, so once you have a clean canvas or clean worksheet, parang yung kanina, yan. And then all you need to do is to set up now your charts, right? So we've done that part already. So we've created these charts last time. Now after you've created all the charts that you need, you are to combine them in one canvas, which is now your dashboard. So how are you going to start with your dashboard? You click on this one. Itong susunod. So anyway, if you hover your mouse dito sa lower part, sa tabi ng new worksheet icon, yung ito, yan. Meron naman siyang tagging, new dashboard, sabi niya. All you need to do is to click that. Then you will have your new canvas or new sheet for a dashboard, new dashboard. Okay? All right, and then makikita nyo dito sa mismong dashboard canvas nyo, you have on the left side, magpapakita dyan lahat ng worksheets na na-create nyo where you have your charts. Okay, all you need to do is to drag them. But first, you have to include the title. So ito, you have here at the bottom, show dashboard title. It's important, of course, na dapat meron kayong dashboard title. So parang here, ito, kailan natin, this is Superstore Profit Dashboard. So you just have to write that. Superstore Profit Dashboard. Okay. Yeah, and then you can customize it. Depende sa theme ng na na-set niyo for you. Sige. Let's say, okay. On the color. Hindi natin blue. Okay. Okay. Edit. This is the center align. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. So I have now my dashboard title. All right. From opening or getting started, from opening the dashboard canvas up to creating the title, you're good? Nasundan? Yes? Okay. How about the others? Okay. All right. Next is you have to check if are you going to be using tiled or floating? The floating ang gamitin ko now. Floating lang muna. And then I have here profit. I mean, the sheets, diba? Different. Tanggalin natin yung sheet 4 kasi wala naman. Okay. So, tatlong charts. So, I can now just drag. Okay. And then, saan ko ba siya gustong ipunta? So, let's say here. Okay. Siguro dito pa ipunta yan. So, here. So, masyadong malaki. Now, you drag it based on kung ano yung gusto mo. Okay. And then, I have the steak then. Drag mo ulit siya. Then, you can just add. Lagyan muna natin dito. And, have that. Alright, and then the third chart I have is this. Good. This one is better if it's somewhere up. Mhm. Is it funny? Hindi. Okay. Kamuti. Alright, and then I have here a filter. This is filter here. I have my filter here. All my factors. And I can change the orientation instead of multiple. I'd like to have single value drop down instead. See them. So multiple drop down. Multiple drop down. I think it's better. You have multiple drop down. Para hindi masyadong kakain ng space. This. Ang laki na. Somewhere here. Oops. Ayan. So, parang iayos mo na lang siya. You're designing na eh. You're completing your dashboard. Okay. And then I have here. Smooth it. Lakihan natin. Better ba if lower ito? Okay. Okay. And I have got this. And then all you need to do is to check then. Yeah, so you have now your dashboard. So you just have to make sure that the font here, ceramic natin. It's the home. So dapat fonts are consistent. Right? Kahuma. And the color is you double click so you can edit, or right click and then edit. Kahuma. Following. Following talaga. Nasundan. The home. We did not start from the very beginning ng creating of the different charts kasi we're done with that na eh. We've done that week 5 session yata. So we're just completing basically doing the dashboard itself. There's a question, we are to put the charts na po to dashboard. Yes. Mm-mm. Ayan. And then you have here, double click, Puma. Okay. And then this is blue. That's also 15. This is, let's make this bigger. 5, 10, 15. So that's it. Okay. All right, so I have now this dashboard. The same thing. And then you can actually change, if you want to change the colors we're seeing sa chart no, so it'll follow your color palette or color scheme. Then you have to go through the chart. So, kunwari, if this is what you want to change, ito, kunwari, itong chart na to, then you go to its worksheet. So, this is product by manufacturer. So, dito mo siya i-edit. For example, if you want to change, kung ayaw mo na siyang gray, if you want to change the color, and then you can, pero parang mas maganda pa rin yung nauna. Ayan. Okay. So far, nasundan naman natin how we created the dashboard available. This Superstore dataset, it's from Tableau na siya. When you downloaded the platform, it came with it. Okay. Okay. See, and then so next meeting, I'm gonna show you how to do the box plot, how to interpret it, and then we'll move on to data story. That's week 9.